You take a look at this. I am now looking at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row here. So, and actually that ends up being, I'm looking at this point here. This is where I'm looking at on the design or the graph, and this is the design. So, and I could pick either one of these, but that's kind of what I'm looking at. I just did under 5 on that, and now it's under 3, and then this row is under 3 over 3, under 3 over 3, so it's pretty easy. So I find out where I want to start. Remember I said under 3. So this is under 3 over 3. 1, 2, 3. And remember I talked about making sure that your stakes are staying straight, and they always wobble around there. So under 3 over 3. And now the one thing I do is I usually put a clip on this and I pull, because I've got this for kind of like a mold, because this is already woven up. So that way I can get that really tight on there, and I don't have to worry about it going in, because it's not going anywhere. And not only is that kind of the mold then for this, but you can see I cut a box down on the inside for the mold in the basket. So this is just 3 and 3 the whole way around. And like I say, I'll take a stroke and then I'll pull it just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. And you'll hear it squeak. And then, I mean, I can see I'm on because I've got this V thing going. Okay. I'm gonna straighten up my stakes again. That's pretty much it.